Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment where we bring you the tea each and every day, honey. Now in today's video, TNS from TNS Records posted a statement that said that he can no longer perform on all the events that he was booked for the weekend because he had a terrible toothache that left him with a swollen upper lip. This is a statement that they posted. It says, "Dear TNS family, it is with sadness that I can't pitch on all the events that I was booked for this weekend. I have a toothache problem which made my upper lip swollen. I am truly sorry for all the promoters that are looking forward to seeing me and my performance. My management will be in touch with the promoters to schedule new dates to pitch on all these venues that I won't be able to perform on this weekend." Now this is the picture that he posted. So on this picture you can clearly see his upper lip is swollen and it also looks very painful. But yesterday morning he posted this video, which means that now his lip is now okay. It's no longer swollen. He can go ahead and attend more events that he wants to attend and make it up to the fans. Now these were the comments that he got under that picture with a swollen lip. Someone said, "Are you caught?" And one said, "Awufunde ukuvika kodwa nawe," which means that they are implying that